Hey, fashion lovers! Today, we're diving into some common fashion blunders you might be making every day, and how to avoid them. We all make them. Sometimes we just need a little reminder on how to elevate our look. Fashion is for everyone, and looking your best doesn't have to be hard. Let's get started. Let's talk about fit. Have you ever put on an outfit and felt like something was just off? Chances are the fit was the culprit. Avoid wearing clothes that are too tight or too loose, as this can create an unflattering silhouette. Instead, opt for garments that skim your body without clinging or drowning you in fabric. Now let's talk about the magic of tailoring. A good tailor can make all the difference in how your clothes fit and flatter your figure. Even a simple adjustment can make a world of difference. When your clothes fit properly, you'll instantly feel more confident and put together. Accessories are the secret sauce to a truly fantastic outfit. They have the power to elevate your look from basic to extraordinary in an instant. Think of accessories as the jewelry for your outfits. First and foremost, consider the occasion. A statement necklace can add a touch of glamour to an evening dress, while a simple scarf can dress up a casual jeans and tee combo. The key is to choose accessories that complement your outfit without overpowering it. A bold belt can cinch in your waist and add a pop of color, while a stylish hat can complete your look and protect you from the elements. Sometimes a single, well-chosen piece is all you need to elevate your ensemble. Trust me, the right accessories can make all the difference. Chapter 3. Finding your colors. Have you ever tried on a piece of clothing and instantly felt like $1,000,000? Or maybe you've put on a certain color and thought, wow, I look washed out. Color plays a huge role in how we look and feel. First things first, determine your skin's undertone. There are three main undertones: warm, cool, and neutral. Warm undertones look amazing in earthy tones like olive green, burnt orange, and mustard yellow, while cool undertones pop in jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red. Neutral undertones can wear a wider range of colors, so have fun experimenting. The most important thing is to choose colors that make you feel confident and radiant. Chapter 4. Trends come and go, style is forever. Trends can be fun to experiment with, but it's important to remember that not every trend is created equal. Some trends are fleeting, while others have staying power. The key is to be selective about the trends you embrace and to focus on building a timeless wardrobe. Instead of chasing after every fad, invest in high-quality, classic pieces that you can mix and match. A well-fitting blazer, a crisp white shirt, a great pair of jeans. These are the workhorses of any stylish wardrobe. When you do incorporate trends, do so in moderation. Fashion is about expressing your unique personality. Have fun with it. Chapter 5. Put your best foot forward. Choosing the right footwear, shoes, they can make or break an outfit. Never underestimate the power of a great pair of shoes. First and foremost, consider the occasion. A sleek pair of heels might be perfect for a night out, while a comfy pair of sneakers is ideal for running errands or hitting the gym. Make sure your shoes are appropriate for the setting and your activity level. Think about comfort. There's nothing worse than being stuck in uncomfortable shoes all day. When trying on shoes, walk around the store to get a feel for how they fit and how comfortable they are. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and colors. A pop of color or a unique design can add personality to any outfit. Proper shoe care is essential. Invest in a good shoe brush, polish, and protector to keep your shoes looking their best. Outro: stay stylish, my friends. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion advice. Embrace your individuality, experiment with different styles, and most importantly, have fun with it. Stay stylish.